Welcome to the Fixing Objects for Printing tutorial. The first thing you need to do is get to thingiverse.com and you need to create an account. Once you have an account and have authenticated it, then you can search for your items. I'm going to show you an item that people often ask for in my class, but they're hard to print. I'm going to choose this one right here. And then when I hit Thing View, I can zoom in and show you that one of the first problems is that the wheels are nowhere connected to the car. So here's how you fix that. Because we signed in, we can go to Apps, and we can go to Make 3D Printable and launch the app. Once in, you simply hit Repair and wait patiently for the file to open in the app's interface. And let me tell you, I mean really patiently, as I'm sitting here for 60 seconds or so already. But I pause it so you don't have to watch that. You can see here it finally loaded after several minutes, probably close to 5. And you can see here part of the reason is because it's 540 centimeters in length. They call it width, but for us it's length. I cannot on my printer, and I choose to never print anything bigger than 8 centimeters. So I'm going to scale this in the x-axis. I always pick the largest one, and I'm just going to put 8 centimeters so everything fits down. And then I'm going to zoom in so now my car fits the way I print things in my classroom. You can choose different if you want. Once you've got it scaled, the way you want, and I'm going to try and change that to 9 because 5 is too small. Oh, now it's letting me go perfect, so I'm going to go back to the 8 and see how that works. It does not like 8, so I'll go to 9 and it takes 10. I can work with that. So once you've got it scaled the way you want, simply hit Next, and it goes to Repair in Progress mode. As this is spinning, you can see it also has the inside of the car, which was probably makes this a bad choice for me to print because I don't care about the inside. And it also explains why the program is taking so long to try and repair it. At this point, I would tell most students this one's not worth it just because it's so detailed. And let me show you how to notice these things ahead of time. So the first thing I check is comments. And when you find where somebody says it would be great if this was printable, that's a good sign that it's not going to work. I'm going to go over to this one where it has 400 likes and just check its comments quick. I see some unprintable, which is typical for cars. It is hard to get them so they print, but you can also sometimes find versions that are going to be more likely to print. So that's just a technique that I would use to see if it's going to be printable. Of course, I have not given up on this one. You can see here it is working, and every time a piece gets fixed, it turns green. So eventually this car will be totally finished, and then you'll be able to save it as an object like I did here. Once you have your object file saved, you can go to the next training movie to learn how we add the axles in Mesh Mixer. Thanks for checking it out, and make sure you watch the next installment to figure out how to finish it.